First time in Seoul, I froze in immigrations. I just point at my passport. I like an idiot. Let's not do that. Handle immigration, the taxi, and check in all without switching to English. I'm going to step by step say each phrase with me. Immigration asks why you are here. 관광하러 왔어요? I'm here for tourism. That's it. I used to over-explain in English and just confuse people. Don't do that. Need to find something? Say 저기요. 저기요. First, to get attention. Then, 어디예요? Where is this? 심카드 어디예요? Where are SIM cards? It took me a year to say 저기요 without feeling awake. In the taxi, show the address and say 이 주소로 가주세요. 이 주소로 가주세요. Please go to this address. Screenshot your hotel address in Korean before you land. I learned this the hard way. One driver and I just stare at each other for a full minute. Before you get in, ask 카드 돼요? 카드 돼요? Does card work? Just 2 words. The phrase saved me so many times. To get out, 여기서 세워주세요. 여기서 세워주세요. Please stop here. Then say 감사합니다. Thank you, so you leave. Always discuss nothing and people knocks at the hotel to check-in. At check-in, 체크인 할게요. 체크인 할게요. I would like to check in. Yes, 체크인 just means check-in. English word more than you think. It took me a while to trust that. The question you actually care about. 와이파이 비밀번호 뭐예요? 와이파이 비밀번호 뭐예요? What is the Wi-Fi password? I say this more than anything else my first month here. First, 편의점 runs. At the till, 봉투 주세요. 봉투 주세요. A bag please. And 얼마예요? 얼마예요? How much it is? It's basically live on 편의점. Kimbap my first month. One thing to keep in mind is that you have to buy special trash bag to throw away your rubbish in Korea. They are called 종량제 봉투. 종량제 봉투. Last, say 저기요. 지하철 어디예요? 저기요. 지하철 어디예요? Excuse me, where is the subway station? Korean will often walk you there. One stranger once walked 10 minutes out of her way for me. I still think about that. Okay, let's run it back. Airport. 관광하러 왔어요. 관광하러 왔어요. I'm here for tourism. 저기요, 저기요, 저기요. Excuse me, to get attention. 어디예요? 어디예요? Where is it? 택시. 이 주소로 가주세요. 이 주소로 가주세요. Please go to this address. 카드 돼요? 카드 돼요? Does card work? 여기서 세워주세요. 여기서 세워주세요. Please stop here. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Thank you. 체크인 할게요. 체크인 할게요. I would like to check in. 와이파이 비밀번호 뭐예요? 와이파이 비밀번호 뭐예요? What is the Wi-Fi password? Store. 봉투 주세요. 봉투 주세요. A bag, please. 얼마예요? 얼마예요? How much is this? And if you're lost, 지하철역 어디예요? 지하철역 어디예요? Where is the subway station? Short phrase, one word. Airport, taxi, hotel, store. It is the words I wish someone gave me before my first trip. If you want more real Korean learning phrase, subscribe this channel and see you next time.